Our TNLearn Mathline problem of the day. Yes, Gerald is bowling 5 games worth of it, in fact, with scores of 89, 102, 85, ooh, big one there, 124, and 110. We want to find his mean and median bowling score. All right, so Gerald's out there bowling. Got 5 games, scores of 89, 102, 85, 124, and 110. By the way, we ask you to write these things down at home, all right? Go ahead and take care of business. Write them down and work along with us, and let's see if we can find the mean and median bowling score. So let's see what this looks like, all right? First of all, we have 5 scores, and the idea, obviously, is do you know what the word mean and median means? That's our storyline here. Big, important things. And some of us get those backwards, all right? Sometimes we get those backwards. We want to make sure we know what the difference between the mean and the median is, all right? First things first, the mean is all about perfect average. It's just an average, all right? Basically, we will take the 5 scores, add them together, and divide by 5. Since there are 5 scores there, we will take the number of scores to be divided by, all right? If we'd had 6 games, we divide by 6. You get the idea. Now, the median, we're looking for the one in the middle. So what we will need to do is arrange these scores from low to high or high to low. I like going in low to high because it just makes sense as you move from the left to the right, things usually get larger, all right? So I like going in that respect. But either way, the one in the middle is what we're looking for on a median. So let's play the game here. Let's see what's going to happen, all right? We're going to pick up our 5 scores. There we go. We've got 89 plus 102 plus our 85 plus 124, and we got, of course, get one more in there. How about our 110? Now, I can put a parenthesis around here because basically that's what we're going to do. We're going to look at like kind of like an order of operations. We're going to add first, and normally you wouldn't do that, and then we will divide by 5, all right? So that's going to be our storyline. We're going to take these 5 numbers, add them together, get a sum, and then divide that sum 5 ways, and hopefully, well, it may come out evenly. It'll come out with a decimal of evenness some way in there, but certainly maybe it'll come out even with the whole thing. We're going to go to the graphing calculator, all right, and let's take a look at that, all right? Let's see how it's going to work here. Going to pick our numbers up. We've got 89, and we're going to tack that on with 102. You getting the idea? Keep going. We've got some more here, 85, finding those digits, put a plus, and 124. Looking good there. And one more to go, 110. And we will get a total, hit the big enter button, we get 510. Now that's the total scores added together. We want an average. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that 510 and put it divided by. By the way, it just automatically takes whatever you had above the little dotted lines there, broken line I guess you call it, and we'll divide that by 5. And it should take us where we need to go. And where do we need to go? Everybody got that? I hope you got the answer. It's going to be 102. That is the average game, all right? Now, let's go back to our problem here. See what we've got. We've got this value. We said it was 510. We divided by 5. That picked us up to 102. All right, now, I noticed something, and I hope you all did too, that 102 is one of our actual scores. Did we plan that? Well, maybe we did, maybe we didn't, all right? But evidently we did a good job basically spreading these scores out. So let's see what's going to happen when we put them in order. Will the median and the mean actually come out to be the same? Now we know, because there's only 5 observations here, that the median is one of those 5, because odd number observations, the middle score will appear. All right, so let's take a look at it. Let's put them in order. We got 85, we pick up 89, we'll pick up 102, right there it is, the 3rd score. Looks like it's going to be our middle. While we're at it, go ahead and put 110, and then last but not least, we have 124. So folks, this one, by the way, was the mean. This time we're looking for the one in the middle. Right there we have it. So the median, my goodness, the median equals 102. It so happens that they're the same, and that can happen. Is it always going to be the case? No, and that's one reason why we worry about distinguishing how we get to a mean and how we derive the median. Okay, they're 2 different entities, but they are measures of what we call central tendencies. Average, where's the middle, basically in the weight of our observations. The other one is where's the actual middle? Where is the actual middle observation? And in this case, they both happen to be one and the same at 102. So that's our problem of the day. Get us kicked off for a new season here.